On that one. Well, a little carried away.
He's playing now because he heard it. Where are you going? Are you tooting? Look at that hair. He's tooting. I've got you. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Well, what's Mommy cleaning up for?
Yeah, Mommy's trying to clean up, bud, and you're messing up.
You're too close. Go get your tent.
Landon, come over here. Let's go camping. Come on. Bring me the hat and we'll go camping. Put it in your tent. Alright, thank you. Put it in your tent. Look.
Put it on Pooh Bear. Yeah, like you knew what I said, didn't you?
Hey, put the hat on the bear.
He knows who Pooh Bear is.
Put the hat on the teddy bear. Look. Put it on the teddy bear. Get it. You can do it. Put it on the teddy bear. That's a girl hat, huh?
Mommy's. He likes popping it out. Oh, I didn't really.
Got them hiccups.
Get up and walk. Come here. Watching in it. Boop. Okay.